What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right, so today we've actually got a styling tips video for you guys. The 7 easy style tips you can incorporate today to just increase your style and fashion overall instantly. Like, they're so easy to incorporate in what you wear in your outfits, your daily attire basically, and it's just going to increase your style from down here to up here, from basically a 5 to a 9. You want to be a 9, don't you, at the end of the day? Quite nice to be a 9. But yeah, let's get straight into the video, guys. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to drop it a like, subscribe to the channel for plenty more videos like this. Let's get into tip number 1. So obviously, just a quick disclaimer, fashion is subjective. Everybody's style is different, and that is what makes us individuals. That's what makes you stand out. But I think there are certain tips you can follow and certain things you can do which do elevate and increase your style overall. And they're super simple, super easy, they're not that expensive. Let's get into it. So tip number 1 is wearing clothes for your body type. So for me, I'm a bit of a bigger build, a bit of a thicker guy, probably a bit more on the endomorph scale, meso endo. So I like to wear clothes that aren't too tight for me, do you know what I mean? But then again, aren't too oversized either, because I feel like if I wear stuff that's oversized, it's just emphasizing my thickness and I'll look fat. Basically, at the end of the day, you don't want to look fat. You want to do whatever in your power you can do to look the best you can look. So obviously, get to the gym, work out, make sure you're healthy and fit. But if you're like on the thicker side, I'd stay like in between, like slim tapered fit is perfect. So slim tapered jeans, a nice slim t-shirt like this new Sullivan one I'm wearing here, like jackets that aren't too oversized, aren't too baggy. That is what's going to work best for my body type. If you're skinny, you can get away with clothes that are a bit more of a tighter fit. So you can wear like skinny jeans, and then you can wear a bit of a baggy oversized t-shirt because you are skinny, and it's not going to emphasize that you're too fat. Do you know what I mean? So like, it just depends on your body type. So dress for your body type is a massive thing. I see people who are overweight and they're wearing spray on super skinny jeans and really tight t-shirts. It's just not a good look. Just stay away from that. Dress for your body type. It's super easy, everyone can do it. So styling tip number 2 to instantly increase your style and fashion is to accessorize. Accessories are so important, and I never used to do it, you know. Back in the day, I never used to wear any accessories. But as you can see now, I've got a really nice necklace on. We've got the ring on. We've got bracelets. There's just little details you can do. There's not loads of stuff you can do in men's fashion. It's not like girls where you can wear loads of different types of clothes. We've only got like a certain amount of things you can wear. So I think adding accessories is a really nice touch, and that is where today's video sponsor comes in. So Rose Gold and Black, it's a men's accessories brand, and they just absolutely kill it in terms of accessories. You've got the best necklaces like this bar necklace here, you've got super minimal rings, nice bracelets, you've got loads of stuff on the website. So if you want to go and get anything from them, guys, there's going to be a link right at the top of the description. You can use code JoshSull to get an extra 10% off, but make sure you get some accessories involved. They're just going to elevate your outfits to the next level. I really like wearing accessories. Styling tip number 3 to elevate your style and fashion is to tailor your clothes. So I can't speak highly enough of a tailor. I've got a Turkish friend who tailors all my stuff, or a lot of my stuff, and it just instantly increases your style, fashion straight away. So if you've got a pair of jeans, you really like the fit, but they're just a bit too baggy around the ankle, you've got a pair of trousers a bit too baggy around the ankle, I feel like a nice tapered ankle is the perfect fit for most people. Obviously, some people like a bit of an oversized baggy fit, but I really like a nice tapered ankle. So I'll take them to the tailor. Say you get like a pair of jeans off ASOS or something, and it'll cost like 10-15 quid. It's not even that expensive, but it does just really elevate your style, your fashion. It's super easy to do. Anyone can do it. And I feel like as soon as you found a good tailor, someone local to you, then you can just keep sending loads of stuff there. I do find loads of stuff that fits, but there's just something a little bit off about it. So I think having a tailor is a really good thing to have, and a lot of people don't use it. So make sure you find a good tailor. Styling tip number 4 to instantly increase your style and fashion is about haircuts, keeping it nice and tight around the haircut. So I've recently just changed my hairstyle. I used to have a bit of a quiff at the front, but I decided to mix it up a bit. I wanted to be a little bit shorter than usual, a bit of a change of hairstyle, but I think it's always nice to know what hairstyles suit you. So to be honest, the feedback has been great from you guys. You really seem to like the short hairstyle. I wasn't sure about it at first, but I feel like a fade for my hairstyle suits my face shape really well, and it's nice to keep a nice tight fade. Just increases your style overall. People will look at you and think, yeah, this guy takes care of himself, he looks after himself, gets a haircut regularly. I get mine probably every 2 to 3 weeks. I know some people get them like every 5 days, which is mad. Footballers get them very frequently. But yeah, make sure you've got a good hairstyle, one that suits your face shape. It's hard to find hairstyles that sometimes suit your face shape, so I might do a video on that in the future. Different hairstyles, loads of easy different hairstyles you can use, but a nice fade, mid fade, works well for a lot of people, especially if you're young and in your 20s and stuff like that. So that's styling tip number 4. So another easy tip that anyone can incorporate is just keeping it simple. I see so many people overcomplicating outfits, mixing too many colours that don't match, wearing weird size clothes, wearing clothes that are too big for you, wearing clothes that are just got massive prints on the front. Keep it simple. Basics do wonders. If you're not really into men's fashion, you don't really know much about style, keep it simple. It's the best thing you can do. Find a brand like Uniqlo, get loads of basics from there, like the nice basic t-shirts, some jeans, a few jackets, and you can make loads of different outfits from not having loads of pieces. You can just build staples in the wardrobe. So a few staples in my wardrobe: you have to have the basic essential t-shirt. Everyday t-shirt from Sullivan is dropping very soon. This is a very good one, just a really nice fit, not too tight, not too loose, in like white, black and navy. So you get 3 t-shirts like that. You get a pair of jeans, light wash or mid wash, and then a black pair as well. Then you get a pair of pants or trousers, a nice stretchy pair of trousers. Arnclo ones are unreal, so make sure you go and have a look at that. And then a couple of like hoodies, sweaters, maybe a bomber jacket in there, a denim jacket, nothing too much. And you can make so many different outfits with all them items. Just keep it simple, don't overcomplicate it. You can add a little bit more spice with accessories, like, you know what I mean? That's what creates a final outfit, in my opinion. I see loads of people complicating outfits and I'm just thinking, what is that? That's not really for me. I know it is like individual to taste. Some people might like it, and that is a good thing about fashion, but for me, I love keeping it simple. Good fits, good quality items that aren't going to just fade or be crap in the washing, do you know what I mean? And that is all you need. So the 6th styling tip is very similar to the accessories, but I think this is a different category. It's to wear sunglasses and glasses to complement outfits. So I absolutely love sunglasses, probably my favourite thing to wear with outfits. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see most of my pictures I'm wearing sunglasses, even if it's not even sunny outside. I just feel like they make so many people's faces look better, and that is not to slate anyone or say that you're ugly or anything, but just like the lines on the face and the structure it gives your face wearing sunglasses. Like say if I put these on now, I just feel like it gives your face a bit more structure. And like when you look into the side like that, it makes my face look so much better. I know my pictures look so much better when wearing sunglasses, so make sure you get a good pair of sunglasses involved. These are just from Ray-Ban. I think they were like £85 from Amazon, but you can get some really affordable ones from ASOS. H&M have got some good ones as well. Get a couple of different pairs and mix it up and see which ones suit your face shape. So Wayfarers and Clubmasters like this suit my face shape really good, but I know round sunglasses sometimes suit people's faces better, so it just depends. Just mix it up, try them on. Alright guys, so the last styling tip I've got for you actually isn't relevant to style or fashion at all, but it's going to make you look so much better in clothes. And that is to start getting into the gym, start lifting some weights, start getting fit. Because as soon as you start lifting weights and start getting into some shape, start building a little bit of muscle, you just look so much better in clothes. A lot of influencers who are in good shape also look so good in clothes. Do you know what I mean? It just massively enhances your style. So if you're a skinny guy and you want to gain a bit of muscle, start getting into a gym, just build a bit of a routine, go 3 to 4 times a week, start incorporating weights into your sessions, into your workouts. You honestly just look so much better in a t-shirt, you look better in a pair of jeans. Don't skip leg day as well, make sure you don't skip leg day. It just overall elevates your style massively, and it doesn't really cost much. A gym membership in the UK, get on for like 20 quid a month, which is nothing hardly. Yeah, it might take a bit of time to build some muscle, but I feel like it's just a really good habit that I feel like everybody needs to have. Keep fit, stay fit, get in the gym, get in shape. Honestly, it does just help a lot, and it helps with your self-confidence as well. You feel a lot better in yourself when you're in better shape. But yeah, I know that one's not really relevant to style, but I thought I'd throw that in there anyway, a bit of a bonus tip for you guys. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit different to usual. I don't really usually do styling or tips, fashion tips kind of videos. If you want me to do more videos like this, maybe fashion mistakes I made when I was younger, stuff like that, let me know. I'm going to link a few of my favourite items from this video, like I said, like sunglasses, accessories, some of my favourite places to shop as well. They'll all be linked in the description if you want to go and have a look down there. And also don't forget to go and check out today's video sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. The best men's accessories. Accessorising is the one. But yeah, that is it from me today, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.